quickly create meeting notes from our tool chest in Notion. This week we've been creating a tool chest and gradually filled it with useful tools that can speed up our workflow in Notion. Today we're going to add a meeting note page template, so a concept for page templates in general that we add to the tool chest for easy access. We'll create a page where we work, and then we'll create a subpage for the actual template. We'll just make a simple one, but we'll style it a little bit so it gives some value. So we have the attendees, we have the decisions and action points, we have a nice little image at the top, and we'll also style the headings a little bit. I'll use blue for the attendees, red for the decisions and actions, and then green for the rest of the meeting notes. Once we've created this template, we move the template into a template button and move it into the tool chest. Let's test it out. So when clicking the button, we instantly create a new copy of that page. We can edit it and change the content. Let's try that a second time for the next meeting in that series. We now have both meetings X and meetings Y in a nice little list, and they're both well formatted and follow our chosen template. So for recurring tasks, recurring meetings, recurring things, this is really a great way to solve it. That's all for today, and we have one more useful tool in our tool chest. Thanks for joining, have a very nice day, and see you tomorrow.